Looking for a driving school in Perth, Western Australia? Look no further. Driving School WA has a great reputation and associates with the best instructors in Perth. We have an online booking facility available 24/7. Our driving instructors are government approved, fully accredited, providing tuition for both automatic and manual driver's license. All our instructors are experienced, reliable, knowledgeable, friendly, and most of all, we have an outstanding pass rate. We'll teach you how to drive confidently in various traffic situations, such as turning right at a major intersection not controlled by traffic lights, turning right at an intersection without a green arrow, changing lanes, merging traffic, high-speed freeway multi-lane driving, night driving, and much more. We have modern vehicles equipped with dual controls. Our instructors can capably demonstrate all manoeuvres using the passenger's side controls in any traffic situation. So rest assured, at Driving School WA, we've got you covered. Our driving courses are structured with efficiency in mind. 7 days service. And a highly qualified team of instructors eager to help. Call us for a complimentary consultation during business hours or book and manage your appointments online 24 hours, 7 days a week.